Hi, I was asked for a tutorial for this lip that I posted on my Instagram back in August, so let's go straight into it. I do recommend using a lip primer for the lipstick to glide on more smoothly and to dry your lips less. Then go and reach for a bright purple lipstick. I chose Sephora collection Violet Vertigo, and this is the time to give your lips the shape that you want. I personally like to stay inside my lip contour for the full face looks, but if you overline your lips, this is the stage where you do that, and then you smoke out the border inwards with the little amount of the lipstick that you have left on the sponge and go for the next color, which is a bright pink. I'm using NYX Liquid Suede in Pink Lust. And you apply that pink in between the purple and the blank space. And after that, once again, with the little amount of pink that you have left on the sponge, you blend the pink into the purple with these little movements. And then after that, before you blend it inwards, you use a clean paper tissue and wipe your wand against it, wipe the sponge so that it doesn't have any purple left in it, and then just blend it inwards. Then you go to the most adventurous of all colors, which is a bright yellow, yay! And you wipe off the excess of the lipstick off the sides of the tube because you only need a tiny amount for the tiny space that you have left. Try to repeat the natural contour of your lips on the upper lip. On the lower lip, the shape is more simple, more just like a stripe. And once again, with the little amount of the product that you have left on the sponge, try to blend it outwards into the pink. Don't be discouraged if it doesn't blend perfectly right away, because yellow and pink are quite hard to blend into each other, so just keep going, trust the process, the end result is worth it. If you feel like there is still too much yellow left, use the good old paper tissue technique. And as for the finished look, I don't know about you, but it's giving me major Cheshire Cat vibes. I mean, the pink and purple are kind of obvious, but he also had yellow eyes in the movie, remember? And this is it for the look of today. Make sure to subscribe to this channel not to miss the next one. And of course, check out these other colorful makeup videos. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye!